DD's class. So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you slime that I made myself. Woo! It's some white slime, y'all.
This slime is really sticky, guys. So let's try out the other
So this is my white
Let's try out the other one that KK gave me. They are big fans of us, and they already gave us like 10 slimes. So let's see what other slime she gave us.
Yo, after this, we about to go to
she gave us like this beautiful.
We're about to go to altitude.
Yeah, altitude. We're fit to go. It's fun, guys.
And
if you've never been there, you could like jump and stuff. Like jump.
And y'all already know what altitude about.
Jumping.
You know what I'm saying. So, and yes, it's homemade slime actually, for real. Because I made it. That's why it's so sticky.
Look at this girl. KK gave me this one. And me and Aries look the same. But they're not. Mine's just that.
So, we had a giveaway, and we gave away to... Hold on, y'all. Hold on.
KK? Because she
No,
we
didn't.
I did.
Hold on, y'all. This is my favorite. But my favorite song. I'm about to write it down because I think I remember. I'm just writing.
I don't know what her favorite song is. Wait, I should. She doesn't know my favorite.
Well, it's a long time ago song.
Well,
we gave it to slime. Too much sauce. Hey,
got too much sauce. We gave too much sauce slime.
Got too much sauce.
Too much sauce. He's like a fan of us.
Too much sauce.
He gave us a lot. I don't know if he got his slime,
but I don't know if he got any. But if you did too much sauce, you already know. Do a video too much sauce so we can know that you got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Because we gave him a blue,
beautiful, clear
slime with some like red beads in them.
Yeah.
So it could be crunchy, just like my sister's slime. And yes, guys, I'm not actually lying. I actually made this. Like I legitimately made this.
Look, here my slime.
See, she legitimately made that herself, and I made this myself. I didn't buy it because there is no slime like this at stores. There might be, but you would have to make it.
Mine's just like
I literally went to Michael's with my $11. Bought me a $9 freaking
and I went
magic stuff.
Yeah, we shared it.
A $4 freaking glue. Well, $11.
I got 2 clear glues.
So a teacher helped me with her teacher discount at Michael's.
Wait, you know that teacher?
Nope, but she helped me. And shout out to her because she is a nice teacher.
She's really nice.
Kids, if your teacher is that teacher who helped me with my stuff, please give her a hand of applause. Okay, let's cut that out.
No, mine both.
Take them to you. So, y'all give your teacher a round of applause, man. She helped a child that's in school. Myself.
She helped Avery, which was polite. She helped Cameron and Ava. Wait, right? Did someone name me? Yeah, Ava. Forgot. Why am I saying that even though I can forget my own name out of nowhere?
See, guys, look. I made this. I don't know how you can tell if you made your own slime. Like, ooh, I can grab the solution.
Whoa!
Hold on, y'all. I'm about to see who's outside because I hear some kids outside. We're about to see in my blinds. Who them? Is that kids right there? I don't see them.
Who do you see?
Y'all, I just saw stuff that wasn't not a kid. You know what I'm saying?
This is real crunchy.
Y'all need to comment down below if y'all like Chipotle. I don't know how to say it right.
It's good. Their food is delicious.